This is the closed field measurement using Apparatus 2. Again, this technique can be used to directly estimate the speeds of the electrons, but please note that the precision is limited. Again, we are overlaying a white line to indicate the undeflected path of the beam. And when we apply the deflecting voltage, the maximum available at 250 volts, at the maximum available accelerating voltage, we see a slight deflection. And by applying a counterclockwise current to the coils, we can apply a magnetic field that deflects the beam back. Around here is where the deflection is cancelled, and in that setup you can estimate the speed of the electron. Please pause the video where you see the deflection has been exactly cancelled and use that paused video to make the measurement. And we change the polarity to provide the second set of measurements. Ideally, these two measurements should yield the same value. Okay, we will try these measurements for the two lower values of accelerating voltage that we used. Here's 150 volts. Still applying the maximum deflecting voltage of 250 volts. And around here also is where the deflection is cancelled. Please pause the video and read the current from the gauge and calculate the magnetic field from there. And we change the polarity for second set of measurement. And we try the 100 volt accelerating voltage. The beam appears stopped, but I have a sense that if I turn on the deflecting voltage that it'll be able to get past that. Okay, so we'll continue on. And at this lowest amount of accelerating voltage, higher magnetic field needs to be applied to cancel out the deflection. And we try the other polarity as before. I will double check the alignment at the end of this run. I might have slightly moved the apparatus. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, I'll turn the accelerating voltage back up to see the undeflected beam path. Okay, it looks like if I bumped the apparatus, it didn't move much. So that's the cross the field measurement using apparatus to. This should give you some way to double check the speed parameter for the electron beam. Bye.